Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Adam Walker, your friend in the mortgage business, and we have some crucial updates for all you home buyers out there. Or if you have a mortgage coming up for renewal, you're going to want to stick around for this. CIBC's chief economist, Benjamin Tal, has dropped some major insights about the future of interest rates in Canada. Tal believes that we're nearing the end of the Bank of Canada interest rate hikes. And guess what? The biggest anticipation he has is now when the bank is going to start cutting rates. He actually predicts that the Bank of Canada might even begin to cut the overnight benchmark rate by the summer of next year. While many financial analysts have been predicting this cut since the early 2023, the Bank of Canada has kept us on our toes. They've held rates steady and hiked them in June and July. There's even a potential interest rate hike coming up as soon as next week. Now, speaking at the 2023 National Mortgage Conference, Tal mentioned that if the Bank of Canada doesn't cut interest rates, the outcome, it might not be favorable. And for any of those worried about high interest rates, there's some good news. Tal expects the overnight target rate to eventually drop back down to about 3%. And even with higher interest rate hikes, the demand for real estate remains strong due to the persistent demand and lack of adequate housing supply. Now, here's an interesting take. If the Bank of Canada was run by AI, it might have stopped hiking rates around 4.5% mark. But remember, it's run by humans, their own concerns, and their own biases. Tal also highlighted that many of the buffers that protected consumers during the rate hikes, like extra savings during the COVID-19 pandemic, are now gone. This means consumers are more vulnerable to the impact of higher rates. And here's a paradox for you. Even if the Bank of Canada is using elevated interest rates to tackle inflation, it's actually leading to higher mortgage interest payments. But those higher interest payments, they're not contributing to inflation. In fact, right now they're hurting consumers. But there's hope. Tal believes that we're nearing the peak of the current interest rate hike cycle. In Tal's words, we're very, very close to the end of monetary tightening. So for all you home buyers out there in Ontario, keep an eye on all of these developments. It could have a significant impact on your financial decisions. Now, if you found this information valuable, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more updates. And if you're looking to buy a home, give me a call. My team and my preferred partners will give you the local competitive advantage in today's real estate market.